Welcome back to the back deck. I decided to shoot this Cocktails with Squib video outside today, so please bear with the background noise. There's going to be a little bit more background noise than normal, as this weekend is the Woodward Dream Cruise, so there's going to be a lot of loud car exhaust and things like that from the people going back and forth. It's a really big classic car show, and you may hear some of the cruisers driving in the background. So today we're trying out a wine from Three Lakes Winery in Three Lakes, Wisconsin. This is their Marion Blackberry semi-sweet blackberry wine, and it says made from whole Marion blackberries. So I did a little research on the internet, and what I was able to find on Google is that a Marion blackberry is a blackberry raspberry hybrid. So I'm kind of interested to try this out. Some other information about the wine is that on the back they've got a little chart here, and it kind of falls in the middle between dry and sweet. It's also 11% alcohol by volume. So let me go ahead and open this up, and I'll go ahead and pour some. May need the buck knife for this. Now ordinarily I would let this wine breathe for about 45 minutes, and I'd serve it at room temperature. Anything that was left over I would put a stopper in the bottle and chill in the refrigerator to drink later. However, you can drink wine at room temperature, chilled. It really doesn't matter. It's whatever your taste is. Go ahead and pour. It's got a nice red color here. It's a little bit maroon, a little bit rose colored, kind of. A little darker than rose. Maybe more maroon, yeah. Smells sweet. It's wet, it's fruity, and you can taste the blackberry, maybe a hint of raspberry, but you can definitely taste the blackberry. This is actually good. This is I kind of like how fruity it is. Sweet on the front end and tart in the middle and on the back end. This is actually really good. I would recommend this if you live in the Wisconsin area or if you have access to this wine. I don't know if you can order this online, but I think I'm going to go ahead and check them out. I'll include information in the comment section if you can order this online and have it shipped to your home. This is going to go good with dinner tonight. Thanks for watching.